motherfuckers.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi. Where are we?
You like jazz?
Happy Easter, everyone.
Happy Easter!
Yes.
Happy Easter.
I'm
We're
ready.
rabbits, and we are furries.
OMG. Who knew? But today I'm with my girlfriend.
Wow, finally.
OMG, I'm sorry.
You keep going with those boys, man.
Ew.
OMG.
OMG, ew, boys.
Why have you been doing so many videos with boys,
Maybe because they make
Ma'am.
me.
You have some explaining to do.
Oh no. They're making a one for it then. Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Okay.
Some quality family drama for your entertainment. Because we're a
Entertainment?
family.
OMG, yes. We can. I'm not gonna say.
No.
No. What are we playing?
Your mom.
Oh, I don't think there's your mom here. I'm sorry. we can't play that.
Oh no, don't ask me. I have bad decision making.
How about we
Oh, we should probably
play?
get in the same party.
Oh yeah. Oh no. Let me invite. Oh, I forgot about that. Oops. How about we play some Skywars Kids?
Yes.
Because it's been a while. Don't you think?
Wow. It's been a very long while.
Yes, it has.
It's been a while.
Where are you? Where are you?
I'm somewhere in the cluster.
Where are you? Oh no. Oh, you're there. Okay, I will. Oh, okay, there you are. Hi.
You will what? What are you? What?
Behind you.
Demon? Oh wait, that's not a diamond.
No. Oh, you took it rude.
Oh
I
my god!
Well, wait. What did you do?
Wait, what?
What?
I don't know what I did.
Anyway, as I was gonna say,
I ignore that happened.
I will try to do more videos with you. Yes, you.
Ah.
Ah.
Ow.
Ow.
Well, let me just launch the sword into the void.
Okay. Wait, what is...
Ooh woo.
Ooh. This seems interesting.
Say ooh woo, I dare you.
Ooh you. No. Look what
Ooh
I
you!
got. Look what I got. The knockback
Nice.
boombox.
But that only works on yourself.
Oh. Boring.
You know, so you can like get across islands, I guess.
Now I got two. So you want one? Take one. Okay.
Do you want this iron sword?
Oh, yeah. Haha, let's just get rid of that.
This lighting sucks. Oh my god.
I know, right? And then I got a frozen boombox.
I have a poison.
Ooh.
I'm gonna do a bunch of Pokemon references.
Yeah. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, okay.
Seriously?
What?
This always happens!
Every single time. Oh no. Oh no. Nope.
Oh my god. Why?
Don't know.
I'm just gonna be stunning.
It's a-okay. It's a-okay.
No, it's not. Bleh.
I think...
Oh, I'm gonna fall.
Oh no, please don't fall.
I'm gonna fall into the void.
No! You can't.
Into the void now.
No! Well, I'm gonna
There's no
save
more
you.
stuff.
Oh.
There's no more stuff to stop. Ah! Oh, I didn't know this was down here. Why have you hidden this from me? How dare you?
And I've done no such thing. Don't.
Oh.
I don't know what you're talking about. Okay. There's no more? You kidding me? Wow.
No, I'm not kidding you. Believe it or not. You stole most of the stuff, hun.
Oh, no, I didn't. Don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah, you did.
You know what? I don't know how you use this. How do you use it?
What? You place it down and then you launch yourself. But, don't try too far because you'll die.
So over there.
You could try. No, I don't know.
No.
Did you die?
No, I'm here. Hi.
Oh, hi. What
Do you think
happened?
I'd be able to make it?
No, not really.
Oh, okay then. No. Oh no. Then what do we do? More.
Yeast.
Um. Why do I have so many stuff?
Why do you have so much stuff?
So I don't know. You tell me.
Probably because you stole it all.
No, never.
Yeah, I think so.
You sure? No! What did you do? What did you do? No! No!
Sorry.
No, I pressed the wrong thing. Oops.
Bruh.
I pressed leave game because I wasn't really reading. But let's do some of this.
Where? Huh? Where are we?
Where are we?
What is? Oh, yeast. Ooh.
Wait.
I ran.
You're running away from me? Wow.
No, this is what happens when you talk to boys.
Oh no, I'm so sorry. I would never talk to boys again.
Oh my god. I forgot that I made everyone small. You're so tiny. You're so tiny. Oh, you're so cute.
Oh no, I think you're the cute one here.
No, it's you.
Nah.
Oh, I'm pro. Oh, damn. Shut. We don't talk about it.
You sure?
Yes.
Oh. We don't talk about. We don't talk about it.
About Bruno.
We don't talk about Bruno.
Don't talk about Bruno.
Oh,
What are you doing?
Nothing. Everyone's so tiny.
Shut.
You're so
I'm
cute.
Shut. I am not. I am not cute.
Yes, you are.
Oh my god, I accidentally ran into the water. Because I was looking down.
Oh, I haven't died. Oh, I've died. No, I died twice. No, I died 3 times.
Oh, lol, imagine dying. Bruh.
Don't know why. Just imagine, you know. I'm not jumping in the water this time.
I'm not, Damn it!
Uh-oh. Oh no. Oh no. Wait, what's this?
Oh no, you're gonna get edge restricted. Cause I sweared.
Uh-oh. Okay. Whee!
Don't you? Woo.
Woo. Oh. Woo.
I know my way.
It's not observe it. Oh my god, I hate these. Wee. Okay. Jump. I said jump.
No.
Wee. I did it. I'm in 6th place.
Wow, How are you ahead of me? What? No, this
Oh
isn't
no.
fair.
Oh no. Oh no, you didn't
Oh,
make
I
it.
reached it right when the game ended.
Oh no. Oh,
I hate this. I hate this. This is rigged. I hate it.
that's so sad. That's so sad. Okay, let's do another round.
I'm in the cluster of humans.
Oh no. Yeah, you tell me to stay away from boys.
Well, not all of them are boys. So, like,
Oh. Yeah. Yeah.
wow,
Ooh.
someone added me as a friend.
Hello.
But I gotta look down at the small citizens.
Nope, I'm not one of those.
Damn it! No! I jumped into the water.
I'm not one of the players.
Why not? Why do you do this to me? I ran into the wall.
Oh no. Ew.
Our characters are allergic to water. No, you little nugget! Ah!
Oh.
Oh, you
Hmm.
nugget. Oh my
Ew.
god.
Ew.
The person that decided to put a wall right as soon as I jumped.
Oh.
You naughty naughty.
I'm so good at
Oh my god.
this.
I thought I would make it.
Don't even know where you are. Where are you?
I'm in 4th place.
Oh. Oh no.
Wait, no I'm not. I don't know where I am. That's the amount of times I've died. No, I.
Oh no. I don't know which one you're on.
I'm
Oh,
on number
hey.
5.
Hey. Hello.
How dare you?
I didn't do anything.
Oh my god.
Don't know what you're talking.
Oh, I see ya.
No, no, no. Oh, no. Please, no. No. Oh.
Hee hee hee, I've gotten past you.
Oh, lucky. Ooh, let's do one more round.
Okay.
Okay. I don't want to be the it this time. I hate being it, but I wanted to win. Oh. Yes. Oh, you're all so tiny.
I'm not tiny.
I don't know where you are. Oh, you're so cute.
Shut up.
Never.
Damn
We
it!
jump.
Oh my god. I'm an edgy rabbit.
Haha. I'm not going.
Ooh.
Ooh.
You said it. You said ooh woo.
Wait, what? Wait, no. I forgot how you say it.
Ooh woo.
Ooh, you.
Why?
I don't know how you say it.
You legit just said you woo.
I don't want to try. Wait, so how do you say it?
Ooh woo. Oh my god, I'm trying to teach someone to say ooh woo.
I don't know.
Just imagine.
I didn't even know that I said it. Jesus. No. Ooh, you. I don't know.
Ooh you. What? Wait,
What?
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 Oh my god.
What?
I was just looping through falling and falling and falling.
How can you sleep? What?
Oh my god.
What?
Uh,
Haha. I did.
oh my god!
Yes, I did it.
How?
You tell me.
Uh,
Oh, I see you.
no, dude!
Oh
Oh my
no.
god!
You're,
So
you're,
I'm going the other way. I'm so done with this.
you're having some trouble.
It's the stupid ice.
But I
Oh my
just
god, finally.
get
Oh no!
out. No, you didn't make it, hon.
Of course I didn't. Ugh.
Return to the hope.
Okay.
Oh, you didn't make it though. How
The only
sad.
time I made it is when I got past you.
Yeah, I don't know if we're in the same hop or not.
I don't know either.
Uh,
Don't ask me.
gonna check. Yeah, we are. Where are you? But where are you?
I'm at spawn.
Me too.
Just killing a bunch of sheep on my Nintendo.
Oh no. Go to everywhere area.
Where?
Oh, there you are.
Uh,
Hey, behind you.
where? Oh, hi.
Hi. Someone coming over here.
Okay.
Come over here. Yay. Wait.
You seem so excited about that.
Yay. Yay.
What are you doing?
I don't know. You tell me. Okay. That's it for today.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Wait.
Bye bye.
It's on you. Would you like to say anything?
Have a happy Easter.
Yes. Happy Easter, everyone. Hope you get tons of chocolate.
Chocolate. I haven't gotten any of that today.
Oh no. Mini fuck. But I don't eat chocolate, so it's fine.
Imagine.
I know, I'll just imagine. But bye guys. Leave a like.
And make sure to subscribe.
Yes. My goal is
Yes.
is that my goal is for 50 subscribers. Let's try to get this. Let's try to get how many
Yep.
likes on this video?
12.
Let's try to get 12 likes on this video. Yay!
Yay.
Bye!
If we get to 12 likes, I will appear in another video.
Yeah. Yeah. That's the deal.
Yup.
Yeah. Bye. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.